Shiba Inu and Dogecoin investors turn to Lunex Network's DeFi protocol. Welcome to Team eBeggars. In today's crypto update, investors in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are diversifying their portfolios as the memecoin markets face declining returns. The latest attraction? Lunex Network, a promising new DeFi platform. Shiba Inu has recently experienced a 287% surge in whale activity, currently trading at $0.0000191 after a 13.49% rise. Meanwhile, Dogecoin saw an 8% increase, trading at $0.1231, but analysts warn it may face profit-taking pressure soon. As both memecoins lose momentum, savvy investors are shifting their focus to Lunex Network's decentralized exchange. With its multi-blockchain compatibility and low fees, analysts project Lunex could achieve an impressive 1,500% growth by the end of 2024. Lunex simplifies crypto trading by eliminating KYC requirements, making transactions seamless. With its LNEX token, currently in presale for just $0.0012, now is an ideal time for investors to get in on this exciting opportunity. With its innovative features and growth potential, Lunex Network is set to become a significant player in the crypto market. Stay tuned for more updates on emerging trends.